I don't know about you, but I just love when I'm at a networking meeting and people push their business cards at me when they meet me for the first time and try to sell me right then and there. Basically no one at all. So today I'm at a luncheon for a local service organization that I love here at the DoubleTree Hotel in Torrance, California. There are a lot of wrong ways to network, but let me share with you 2 right ways today. Method number 1, sell through, not to. If everyone hates it when you try to sell them your products or services the very first time you meet them, do the absolute opposite of that. The first time you meet someone, think about how you can help them sell their products and services. How do you do this? Ask them 2 questions. 1, who's an ideal client for you? And 2, well, how do you usually find them? I want to help you find them. And you've just made peace. When you do that, it's like networking judo. Well, I am actually in a networking group where we are all about that technique. Fun fact, we actually meet online 3 times a month. I'd love for you to come visit with us if you're curious about this peacemaking method of meeting people for the first time at networking events. The second way of networking that works is join a service organization. Now, granted, if you don't actually love your community and you don't actually love serving, this really could backfire. Be honest, be all about the community, be all in, and you will make some truly great connections. The end goal of your marketing is to build relationships. What are relationships built on? 3 things: know, like, and trust. When people know, like, and trust you, you can talk to them about anything super easily, including your products and your services. And when you get involved in a community service organization like the Kiwanis, you're building relationships around real things. And then you ask them about their businesses and you do the judo. 1, 2, make some peace. Help them find some business. Business will come back to you the more you do this. Real quick, why does this work? In his classic book, Building a Story Brand, best-selling author Donald Miller says, in marketing, the customer is the hero, you are the guide. Because everyone has main character vibes in their own head, in their own story. They don't want to be sold by you, they want to be helped by you. In networking, the other person is the hero. When you talk to them about how you can help them sell, you're making them the hero of the story. You're just a guide helping them along to their goals, which makes them way more receptive, way more interested in you, and you've just made yourself not only rememberable, but also referable. In his world-famous TED Talk, best-selling author Seth Godin says, ideas that spread win. Let me also add this, only ideas that stick can sell. If you want to win in business, you don't just have to know this, you have to live this, and that's what the next video here is about.